Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add cleaning solution to the Yeedi S20 Infinity Ultra. If you're interested in the S20, the link to it will be in the video description. We also have links to our top robot vacuum, wet dry vacuum, and cordless vacuum cleaner picks, as well as our daily vacuum deals website, so be sure to shop those links in the description. So on our station right here, to get to the solution tanks, yes, there are two solution tanks. We have to go ahead and remove this cover just by pulling it out towards yourself. And that's going to reveal both of the solution tanks right here. Here are the two solution tanks. Just gently pull them out. The heavy duty solution is going to go into the black box. And then we have our red box right here. You'll notice that the black box is a lot smaller. So here's that heavy duty solution clearly marked from Yeedi. So this is included with the S20. So by default, you do get some cleaning solution that you can use. You will pour the heavy duty into the black. Let me pop that lid off so you can see. And they're just filled up. And then gently slide that back in. And then you will take the regular Yeedi cleaning solution and you're going to pour that one into the red box here. You can see that with the lid removed. And then once that's filled up, just put the lid back on and then gently put it right back into the station. Once your solution's added, we got to put the cover back on. It's only going to go one way, so make sure you have it lined up properly like you see right here. And then just gently press this back on. Just like so, you're all set and ready to go.